Hey, it's Sam from AC Board. So this is the GenSwitch we're going to be installing today. Very handy device. GenSwitch is able to be fitted external to your switchboard. It's quite handy because now the customer can safely use a generator to supply the power in the event of a power outage. The installation went super smooth, put an older board with tight access, there was no issue. Hardly need any parts to install a GenSwitch, so it was super easy and quick to install. The homeowner was quite happy that I was able to get in and out quickly. Really happy with the GenSwitch. The job went so smooth, so it was pretty handy, yeah.
Hi, my name's Greg. I recently got a generator changeover switch installed. The electrician was only here for roughly 1 hour. The installation itself went pretty smooth, minimal noise, no mess, and the power was only off for a short period of time. There is also a QR code on the product which takes you to a website and it shows you exactly what you need to do. It's one less thing for me to worry about. If we were to lose power, I can keep the power on at home for my kids. It's been a great investment for our home and quite an affordable installation. We wanted a long-term solution, not just a quick fix.